Tired of your Trello board feeling more like a digital junkyard than a productivity powerhouse? Well, buckle up, because in the next 90 seconds, we're unlocking the secret to transforming Trello from a rigid template into a flexible, personalized workflow machine by diving into the world of custom coding and integrations. First, you'll need a Trello account and a basic understanding of coding, preferably JavaScript. Don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll guide you through the key concepts. Our main tool is the Trello API. You'll need to obtain an API key and token to interact with your Trello boards programmatically. Head to the Trello developer portal and follow the instructions to generate these credentials. Keep them safe, as they grant access to your Trello data. Now, let's write some code. We can start with a simple function to fetch a list of all the cards on a specific board. Use your API key, token, and board ID in the appropriate places within your code. This function sends a request to the Trello API, retrieves the card data, and then prints it to the console. Next, explore Trello PowerUps. These are pre-built integrations that extend Trello's functionality. You can find PowerUps for everything from calendar synchronization to time tracking. Some PowerUps allow custom fields and buttons, offering simple no-code customization. For advanced customization, consider building your own PowerUp. This allows you to add custom features, integrate with external services, and completely tailor Trello to your specific needs. This involves creating a manifest file, writing JavaScript code for the front end, and potentially using a backend server for more complex logic. By mastering the Trello API and PowerUp system, you can automate tasks, streamline workflows, and create a Trello board that perfectly matches your unique working style. Start experimenting today and unlock the full potential of Trello. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity hacks.